Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I earn money in US dollars even though I don't live in America. So basically, if you're selling on Amazon.com, you're most likely not in America. A lot of sellers are outside of America and they still sell on Amazon.com because it's the best marketplace. But as you guys know, Amazon exchange rate is terrible, so if you make money in USD and then you live outside the country, the exchange rates are horrible through Amazon. It's always the best option to have a US bank so you can make money over there, and then you can always transfer to your own personal bank account with much lower fees. The way I'm able to have a bank account in the United States even though I live in Canada is through cross-border banking. So basically what a cross-border banking is, it's usually an international bank. So for example, my bank is RBC and they have branches in Canada as well as in America. So I can open up a bank in America, and then from there I also have a bank in Canada, of course. So what I can do is make money in USD. I can even keep it there if I want and store it there, and whenever I want I can shift that money from the United States bank to my Canadian bank and cash it out, which saves me a lot of money because I'm not going through the Amazon exchange rate. Furthermore, you also get a RBC debit card. So obviously it doesn't have to be RBC, I'm just giving my example. There are a lot of cross-border banks, especially in Canada. You have TD, you have BMO and other banks. So when you have a bank account in the United States, you also save a lot more money with their debit card. So you get a debit card. For me, it looks something like this. And what happens is that, let's say you start a Shopify store and you have to pay for monthly subscriptions. You also have to pay for apps. So this can add up. And what you can do is use your United States bank account debit card. For me, it's that one. And you can save more money because you're not going through the exchange rate every time you make a transaction. Now the only downside to this debit card is that you're not really able to use it in Canada. Of course you can use it, but there's an exchange rate fee, so I wouldn't prefer to use this debit card. But you don't really need it. You can have your own national debit card for your native country, but I use this debit card for anything that I do online for Shopify or Amazon FBA. Also, if I go to America, I can use this debit card and save myself more money since I won't be going through the exchange rate. And lastly, one more tip for all the Canadians out there: you can make passive income through this. Actually, anyone can use this method to get passive income. And basically what you do is when the US dollar exchange rate is down, so for example when 1 USD equals to 1.23 Canadian dollars, which is usually when it's at its low, you can exchange your money to USD and then you just keep it in USD until it goes up. So recently it went up to like 1.31 or 1.32, and then from there you can convert it into Canadian dollars and you'll actually have a lot more money, maybe like $200 or $300 extra depending on how much cash you had in USD, because the exchange rate went up. And this can also save you, for example, let's say Canadian dollar crashes or something, you'll have money in USD and save half of your money or whatever. But again, this is not financial advice, this is just what I do and actually make passive income doing it. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I would recommend any Amazon FBA seller or Shopify dropshipper to look into this and actually open an account, because you will save a lot of money. So if you're outside the United States, I would definitely recommend to open cross-border accounts so you can save a lot of money. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did and found value in it, and subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications so you get my latest videos. I'm going to be uploading every other day. I have actually scheduled 4 or 5 videos in advance and they're all pretty valuable, so make sure you stick around. And yeah guys, I'm out. Peace.